Hello everyone, as you all know that Zoom is not a safer platform to conduct online meetings. So most of the companies are switching to CISCO WebEx app. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in and what are the ways of using the CISCO WebEx Meetings app. First, you need to open Play Store and then you have to type CISCO Meetings app. Then you need to download and install the app and then open the app. You'll land up on a page saying join meeting, sign in and sign up. Click on sign up and using Chrome, open it. Then you'll be asked about the email ID. Just enter it and sign up. After that, you'll be asked about to enter first and last name and you get a message saying that your new account is ready. So this helps you make an account in the app. You need to open your mail and click on create password. Type new password and confirm password. Check the requirements and then you need to open the app. Then click on sign in. Type your email. Then click the same URL. Enter the password. You'll land on a page saying start meeting, join meeting, and if you scroll left you get meetings, scheduled meetings. And on the right, if you scroll, you get the recordings of meetings if you have any. If you want to join a meeting, you simply click on it and you will land on a page asking you for a meeting number, URL or username. Type that and you can join any meeting. If you want to start a meeting, click on it and you will land on a page where you see mic, camera, and you can also click on start so that you land on your personal room. From your personal room, you can copy and share the video address and your meeting number with your colleagues or friends whom you want to join the meeting. You can use email or any other way to share the meeting number and video address. At the bottom there are 3 dots. Click on that. You get various options. If you click on option share content, you'll get to share lots of content like share screen, whiteboard, box, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive and your photographs. So if you click on create shortcut, you'll be able to add the whole meeting to your home screen. Let me show you how. See how it happens. A shortcut has been created. I can just see whole meeting on my home page. If I return back and click on switch speaker mic, I get to switch between speaker and phone. If I click on chat with everyone, I get to chat with everybody. So let me let me type hi. So I can just chat with everybody who is in the meeting. Now if I click on 3 dots and click on info, I get to see a lot of information about my personal room. Then if I click again on more and then on settings, I get to see a lot of settings. If I click on meeting list, there are various settings. Then if I click on audio and video, there are more settings. As you can see, at the bottom, see a cross, and if you click on that, it will show leave meeting, and if you click on that, you leave meeting. At the top, there's an icon. If you click on that, you'll be able to see all the participants in the meeting, and you can also invite by email and remind invitees. You can chat with everyone and you can also mute and unmute yourself. Let me show how. Okay, let me now leave this meeting. I click on that and I left the meeting. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates from our channel.